Alright, so we had a failure on the other one, so we're going to try this one. And I'm trying something different. I'm running the big, huge fan 100%. Printing at 70% currently. I've got it sliced at like 150. This is a yarn swift that I'm making for her. Where did it go? Amish style yarn swift. So we've already printed this section, printed 4 of these arms. This thing failed on the other printer. I've got to print that part, this piece, so I got to print 4 of these little deals here, and this piece, and then the bottom legs. And I'm running out of this fancy rainbow crap, so we got this stuff and some other stuff. Anyway, I thought I would have been able to make this a lot quicker, but it seems like there's a limitation on how fast you can really print this stuff. And I don't know, I seem to have better luck with PETG on this printer. It doesn't really seem to do as well with PLA. I don't know why, but I'm using this because this is what she wants. So we'll see if the sv07 ends up taking the cake here.